going on? How we doing? How we doing today?
Welcome back, young boy. Go get busy. Whoa! What's this, a home game? We're in Milwaukee?
Fellas, we got to play with a little more force offensively.
Carl Anthony Towns in the landing. Pressing the issue and got it to go.
Come on, we got to go get it back. That's what it is. Let's go. Come on.
It's a Booker rebound. His speed right to the hole.
Booker really comfortable going to that left hand.
Barrett, the drive, looking for an opening. Throws it up again, and Robinson with this time on the right hand.
Keep going, Mitch. I told you I was going to get you right. Come on, Blue, right now.
Brunson keeps that dribble alive. Barrett goes inside, and the flush.
Nasty, sassy stuff by Barrett.
We got to run more. You got to get stopped. Kick ahead. Kick the ball ahead. Create some more pace.
Taylor Jenkins imploring his team to play with a little more pace. Bane from the corner. Splash down.
Giannis will fire. And hit from three.
If he makes that, you lose. See, when he makes those, you're dead.
Dead.
Giannis. Spinning. Look out.